Alright, so today's kind of windy. I think it's around anywhere between 10 to 15 miles an hour. We're going to see how this plane, which plane is this again?
PT-17.
PT-17? Is it PT-17?
Yeah.
Okay. From E-flite. Let's see how this thing flies in the wind. Should be pretty good. Back at the school.
Oh wait, I gotta turn the timer off.
What's that?
Turn the noise off the timer.
Oh, okay. Okay, so it's 7:30 in the PM. The 14th of July. Let's see how this thing works. I don't think so. Just make sure you don't go right to that pole. Don't go into the pole.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah, that's not a problem.
It's a little windy up there.
Little windy up there.
Kilo.
What's that?
Alright, bro. Hovering.
Oh no! Seems to be taking it pretty well.
Tell you what, I really like this plane. The way it flies.
Yeah. Plenty of power.
It's got enough power, yeah.
He said it's got enough power. Does that have machine guns on it?
No,
Oh, okay.
just fake one. He just makes the noise. Enough power for sure.
What's that?
It's got enough power for sure.
He said it's got enough power for sure. Oh yeah. Looks like it to me. What was that, a super slow flyby or what?
Yeah. Gotta get a super slow flyby now.
You're landing?
Trying to.
Really windy right now. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, there you have it. Can it handle the wind? I think it can, but it gets pretty sketchy. That landing was pretty sketchy. There you go. Will Nate 35 signing out. Peace.